how to do Silverman-Anderson score.
So the parameters of Silverman-Anderson score are upper chest, lower chest, xiphoid retractions, nasal flare, and the grunting.
So there are 5 parameters: upper chest retractions, lower chest retractions, Ziffy retractions, nasal flaring, and grunting. Which part is considered as upper chest? Is it the upper chest here and lower chest here, or is it some other way?
No, we have to open the arm here and then turn the baby. The mid-axillary line would be the...
So when you draw the mid-axillary line, the part above the axillary line is called as upper chest, the part below is taken as lower chest. Okay, so each of these parameters is graded as 0, 1 and 2 for a total score of 10. So can you tell now each of these parameters and tell the score for this baby as you say?
Coming to upper chest, there is 0 is a normal breathing arm, 1 is inspiratory lag, 2 is if there is
seesaw breathing.
That is 2. And coming to lower chest retractions and nasal flare, we have to grade.
So what is the upper chest retraction score for this baby? 1. I agree. It's inspiratory lag. So normally you are supposed to see chest and abdomen moving synchronously up like this. Here you can see definitely baby has abdomen movement coming up much before the mild chest movement. So this is inspiratory lag, which gets a score of 1. Whereas if you get total seesaw breathing, like abdomen moves up and chest goes down and then like this, then it is given a score of 2. So in inspiratory lag, abdomen moves up first, then the chest moves up. There will be a lag between the abdomen and the chest. So this happens because abdomen moves up and then diaphragm contraction actually increases the abdomen pressure and this causes the abdomen to move up. And when this diaphragm contracts and forcibly the intrathoracic volume actually increases, intrathoracic pressure becomes more negative, driving a flow of gas into the baby's chest, and eventually the chest also moves up. So this is generally seen with a compliant chest. Okay. What is next? Lower chest retractions.
Lower chest is graded as mild, no retractions, mild or moderate retractions. As we can see,
so this is the part below the axillary line. Are you able to see any retractions there? Okay, mild retractions in the intercostal spaces. So again you give a score of 1. Okay, next parameter is Ziffy retractions.
As we can see, there are no xiphoid retractions now. So
okay,
there is
0
xiphoid retractions. And we can also see there is no nasal flaring present.
So 0. So it's graded as 0, no flaring, mild and then marked. Okay, 1 and 2. Grunt.
As there is no audible grunt or like listened with the step, it is also absent. So
always for grading grunt, we have to also auscultate the baby with a stethoscope. So 0 is taken as no grunt at all. 1 is there is no audible grunt, but grunt can be heard using the stethoscope. There is no grunt even on auscultation with stethoscope. And 2 is grunt that is heard audibly with the naked ear. So always for doing a Silverman score, complete it by doing auscultation. So these are the 5 parameters and this baby got a score of 2 out of 10. So for grading respiratory distress as mild, moderate and severe, also Silverman-Anderson score can be used. 0 to 3 is taken as mild respiratory distress.